Welcome back to CryptoJet for a quick little market recap at the start before we go into Ripple and its price action. Now, first and foremost, we're looking at Bitcoin's chart, and what we can see is that we're still respecting this upwards trending trend channel. And even though we're having a red day and potentially a full red week, we are completely normal, and this is completely usual in a bull cycle because obviously prices cannot just keep going upwards. It is an overextended market, and the same as this right here was overextended. It is due for a correction for people to take profits and then new buyers to step in and become stronger than the sellers and push the price higher at a point in the near future. So it is not the end of the bull run unless we do break below the 61% fib level and this zone of support and the trend line, but I really don't believe that's going to happen. We might even find support at 38% fib level and then continue moving towards the upside. When it comes to Ethereum, it's very similar in price action to Bitcoin. I've used my Picasso drawing skills right here to demonstrate to you what I do expect to happen for Ethereum. So we are seeing a nice retracement into fib levels. Once again, very overextended market. We could see some sort of a bullish flag or triangle or bullish correction pattern formation before zooming up towards more upside. And as the previous minimum price objective was respected, so you can find it like this, I do expect the next one to be respected as well and go up to the price of just above 6k in the next period. So that's it for a little quick market recap. Now the next news of the day is that Amazon is bringing a battle over credit card fees to UK with Visa ban. So Amazon actually banned visas from the UK, and I just wanted to let you know that this is happening and that globally there's a lot of weird stuff happening, and I want to include some global news in the videos as well. So maybe my cheap ass will actually purchase Bloomberg next time for the next video. Moving into Ripple, we have $51 billion of market cap. Nothing too important here apart from the chart, which we will cover a little bit later, but you can purchase it pretty much everywhere except for Coinbase because Coinbase is American and Ripple is getting sued by the SEC. So what is happening there? Basically, Ripple failed to register as a security, even though they were using somewhat of a strategy to actually raise funds using crypto for their company. And obviously, they should have been a security. And Ripple is coming down on them, and we will see who actually wins. If the SEC does win, then there is a possibility that they will crack down on a lot more cryptos and a lot more regulation, but that is not necessarily a bad thing because regulation is completely fine. Moving on, we see that Ripple is actually a payment provider, so settles transactions in 3.5 seconds. It's very simple to use. They have RippleNet, which is their ecosystem for sourcing liquidity, cross-border transactions, and more. And but without going into too much detail, it has a lot faster stats than Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, but pretty much every crypto on the market has a lot faster stats than these three currencies. So I believe it's not too important. So when it comes to Ripple, I would not look at it as a something that will survive too long in the future, because you have projects such as XLM, for example, which are a lot better. But still, looking at the technicals, currently we can see that we are forming a very nice trend line towards the upside. And if we do respect these fib levels right here and create potentially a double bottom at this zone, it is very possible that we will break out despite the lawsuit and despite everything that happens. It seems like Ripple is still having some strength in today's market. So that's it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below with what you want to see in the future. Thanks for watching, everyone. Adios.